All right, another letter came in from Ed Brown to the post office today. It's in regards to his efforts to reach out to Donald Trump. I do my best to get these out in the public. Let's read it, but let's remember there's Ed's address, there's Elaine's address, they're sentenced to death by prison. Let's don't forget about them. All right, this is the envelope. That's Ed Brown, that's my P.O. box. Here we go. Sixth attempt. Today's April the 6th, 2017. He wrote it on March the 29th, 2017. Dear Mr. President, related hue and cry, this is my 6th attempt at trying to get you to be aware of a national security issue of the most serious nature. We have discovered a group within your administration orchestrating a slow coup d'etat for the takeover of the United States of America. This is not a frivolous notice, and I am not a frivolous man. I, my wife, and 2 other young men are still in prison after 10 years following 2 trials and handed a 508-month term because we have been trying to present this info to the government through the court system about 12 years ago. As a United States Constitution Ranger of the 1777 Continental Congress, I am obligated to notify the Congress or you on the federal level of any violation of the constitutions of these United States republics. We only have a jurisdiction within the United States republics and over any violators of the organic laws of these 50 republics. The state of New Columbia, Washington, D.C. is a de facto state created by Congress within the District of Columbia, foreign to the de jure Constitution of 1783 and the 1791 Bill of Rights. We have no jurisdiction in a foreign democracy. All of my mail to you has been blocked, apparently by Novatex Government Solutions. Capitol Heights Mail Facility 5-6000. Tracking number 701-609, 10,000-1645-75824. There is no reply on opened national security issue. There is no reply on opened national security issue. President eyes only. Inspected, sealed, legal mail to you. This is tampering with the mail at the least. Aiding and abetting the enemies of the United States, trading with the enemy, and treasonable major crimes against the United States. Sir, if the United States Constitutional Rangers know as much as we do, then your national security and other intelligence agencies must know a great deal more, and if they are not advising you of it all, then they are part of the problem, which is what we know to be true. We are aware of that some of your own staff are employed by the enemies of the state and will hurt you or your authority as instructed by their puppet masters within your own intelligence agencies and or American Bar Association franchises et alia. I must speak with you face to face very soon. This identified multi-level cartel within your administration, President Obama's administration was completely controlled, will very soon ruin all of your efforts. You're already experiencing their efforts to ruin anyone that will stand tall for true conservative values. You scare the hell out of them because of your strength. However, we noticed a change in your demeanor after your visit with Mr. Obama at the White House in January. We are concerned. Your enemies, mine and the American people's, fear the truth and any light that brings them out of the shadow. 80% of American people are ready to support you, but as of this date, 3/28/2017, they are taking a step back because what they are seeing, the same status quo. Let me help you before they try to terminate me again. Honor above all else but God. An American prisoner of war in an American federal prison. Prisoner of war sovereign, Edward Lewis Brown. Commander, United States Constitution Ranger, 1777, Continental Congress. P.S. See enclosed. Ranger intro, copy of tampered mail to you, YHVH. And then he has a United States Constitution Rangers with his seal and a bird. FOIA, Freedom of Information Act, Petition of Droit. I do not know what a Petition of Droit is. Related, seeking organic de jure United States Republic Court of Law under the Clean Hands Doctrine of Common Law, Law of Nations, the 1791 Constitution, Republics, and the Law of Creator of the Universes, God, Yahweh, blessed be his name. Come now, private citizen of the New Hampshire Republic, Edward Lewis Brown, a sentient man of God, who has never entered into a contract knowingly, willingly, voluntarily that would cause harm. I seek a court that allows a level playing field for all private parties involved. For all parties involved. Sorry, it does not say private. allows a level playing field for all parties involved. A court that has zero tolerance for deception of any manner. A court that fully informs the jury and lets it know the difference between a jury trial and a trial by jury. A court that allows both accuser and accused all evidence and all witnesses that favor their position. Therefore, I petition your court to notify me if it is a lawful due process court of the 1791 de jure republic, or operating under the revised corporate constitution of 1871, acting as an administrator for the debt of the commercial de facto United States of America, as a commander of the United States Constitution Rangers of 1777 Continental Congress. I could never accept a clouded contract or process from a court operating in color, fraud, or secret codes. Under military law, I am seeking to file a major case. A simple de jure or de facto answer within 30 days is adequate. No response will be de facto. Thank you, Sovereign Private Citizen Commander Edward Lewis Brown. All rights reserved. Steward and Witness YHVH. Date March 29, 2017. This appears to be a photocopy of the Novatex package that was returned to him when he tried to reach out to the President of the United States. That is illegal. They should have allowed lawful delivery of his package. Novatex Government Solutions is an absolute evil organization for stopping that mail. This is some sort of photocopy of the package that was returned from Novatex. You see right here, even though it's upside down, it says Novatex Government Solutions. Okay, well, we have read the letter. May God bless Ed and Elaine Brown. May he reward them greatly. May we continue to work for justice. And I hope you write him a letter. That's his address right there. I hope you don't forget about his wife right there. God bless.